Good morning. I would like for you guys to go ahead and pause me for a moment and open up the walk and rock file from our module. So let you go ahead and do that. Okay, hopefully you're back now because you paused me. I'm going to keep talking, and you should have your screen look like mine. Again, if your screen does not look like mine, this file is in the module, and you can go ahead and pause me and open it up now. So there's a few things that we're going to do to this spreadsheet to just sort of increase our knowledge of some of the functions that we have available to us through Google Sheets. The very first thing that you have to do, though, whenever you're working with any spreadsheet is you need to look to see what is it that this spreadsheet is telling me? What kind of information is being communicated or reported? And on this particular one, we're looking at a music store. This music store is selling MP3 sales, and they have a variety of different equipment that goes along with that. So for our columns, remember columns are up and down. Our column headings are regions in the country. So we have Northeast, Southeast, etc. And this would just be like territories within the United States where these things are being sold. And then in addition to that, we have individual products as our row headings. So we have mini, macro, flash, etc. And those are our row headings. So for example, if I click on this cell, which hopefully you understand by now that that's cell D7, that means in the Midwest, they sold $88,294.78 worth of macro. So that's how you read the spreadsheet. That's what kind of information is being reported to us today. So from here, it's time for us to start making some calculations. I'm going to begin by clicking in B9. And B9 is an empty cell that's waiting for me to figure out what is the total for the Northeast. I will also find the average sales price for the sales in the Northeast, the max, which is the highest, and then the min. So I'm going to slowly go through those procedures for this first part of Walk and Rock. I've clicked in B9. Then over on my Sigma on the right-hand side, so here's where I am, this guy. You need to kind of stare at this and say, hello, functions button. It looks like a Sigma. You're going to be here a lot. So making sure that you're comfortable. I'm going really slow and kind of dramatic. This guy right here. So I'm going to do the drop down arrow next to that and choose sum, because sum and total, as you learned in elementary school math, are the same thing. Once I choose sum, automatically now the formula has popped into this cell because I clicked on this Sigma. So I clicked that, I choose sum. Now I need to tell the computer, what do I want the sum of? And that's going to be the sales in the Northeast column. So all I need to do is click and drag to highlight that range. Notice up here in my formula bar that it's now showing, okay, the sum, sorry, this is getting crazy. There we go. The sum of B4 through B8, which is B4 through B8. And I just did that by clicking and dragging straight down. And then I'm going to hit enter. Oh, sorry. My mouse pointer got me messed up on that one. I'm going to do it again. Okay, so when I click on this 153 and I look up here, okay, this is actually good. I made a mistake. I didn't come down far enough, but I'm going to leave it so I can show you how to fix it. Notice that when I go to my formula bar, it says equals B4 through B7, which that does not include then this $9,000 amount on 8. The easiest way for me to fix that is to go to my formula bar and click one time, back out the 7, put an 8, and enter. And then I have the right number. So again, that's just practice with editing your formulas in the formula bar. You don't have to start over. You don't have to go from scratch. You just have to back it out and fix it. I'm going to do this one more time. Sigma, sum, highlight the range, let go, hit enter. Go ahead and pause me and do that now on yours. Please only do the Northeast. Do not continue and do the totals for the rest of the spreadsheet. I only want you to have this with B9. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, hopefully you're back from pausing me and doing the total. I'm now going to repeat that process, same steps, through average, max, and min. So I'm clicked on B10, which is for my average. I'm going to go over to my Sigma, choose average, highlight my original range. I'm going to be very careful not to include my total. In other words, I only and always want to include my original numbers, because including my total would make my average be incorrect. So never include your total. I'm going to hit enter. One more time on that, just to make sure that we're understanding. I'm on B10. I go over here to the right-hand side to my Sigma, choose average, select my average. I'm just clicking and dragging straight down, let go, hit enter, and there it is. Same exact thing for max. I'm in the cell where I need to be, back over here to my Sigma, drop down, choose max, which is going to pick the highest number, put my range in, same steps, same range, not including my total or average, enter. And you can see that I can look at this and know that the highest number is this $66,000 number. So you can sort of verify your work as you go. And then the last one is minimum. So you're going to go again back to your Sigma, min, make a selection, and then enter. So hopefully by now you're getting that pattern. You can go ahead and pause me now and get that part finished. That's the end of part 1 of Walk and Rock. Then you can come back to watch the next video for Walk and Rock part 2.